Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have a beautiful short story for you. This story teaches us a powerful life lesson. Sometimes, we only see the bad things in life and forget about the good things around us. After listening to this story, you will learn to focus on the positive side of life, not just the problems. So, let's begin our story. The Dot and the Page. Professor Michael Bennett was a teacher at Westfield University. He was famous for his special way of teaching. He had gray and black hair and kind eyes behind his glasses. He had taught philosophy for more than 20 years. One cool autumn morning, he walked into the classroom. All 78 students were talking loudly, but when they saw him, they became quiet. He looked a little different that day. "Good morning, everyone," said Professor Bennett. He put his old leather bag on the desk. "Today, we are going to have a surprise test." The students made unhappy sounds. Sarah Jenkins, who always sat in the front, looked worried. She quickly opened her notebook. "But, Professor, you didn't tell us about a test," she said. "That's why it's a surprise," said Professor Bennett with a smile. "Don't worry, this test will not change your grade." At the back of the class, Marcus Thompson whispered to his friend, "Oh no, another weird test." Professor Bennett gave each student a piece of paper, face down. "Please don't turn it over until I say so," he said. When everyone had their paper, he said, "Now turn it over." The students looked confused. There were no questions on the paper, just a small black dot in the middle. "What do we have to do?" asked Sarah. Professor Bennett replied, "I want you to write about what you see." The students started writing. After 10 minutes, they gave their papers back. Professor Bennett began to read some of them aloud. Each student had written about the dot, how big it was, where it was, or what it looked like. No one wrote about the white space on the paper. Professor Bennett smiled. "This is exactly what I wanted you to see," he said. "All of you focused on the black dot and forgot about the white page." He paused and looked around the room. In life, we often focus on our problems, the black dots. But we forget the good things that fill most of our days, like the white space. The classroom became very quiet. Many students looked thoughtful. Sarah smiled softly. Marcus nodded slowly. Professor Bennett finished. "Remember, life is full of blessings. Don't let the small dark spots make you forget the rest of the beautiful page." That was our story, The Dot and the Page. This story teaches us a beautiful lesson. Life is not perfect, but it has many good things. If we only look at our problems, we miss the happiness around us. So always try to see the white space, the good parts of your life. If you liked this story and want to learn English with more stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.